Morning everyone. So today we are going to start a new chapter of literature reader, chapter number 2, The Quarrel by Eleanor Curzon. Do you know about an award, Eleanor Curzon Award? Yes, it is for children's literature. Literature means the poems, stories, plays for children and presented annually. Annually means once in a year, and it is in the memory of Eleanor Curzon. She is famous for writing stories, poems, and plays for children. Now, do you know about a figure of speech known as contradiction? Oxymoron means two opposite things at the same times. In this, opposite ideas are given stress or they are emphasized. Emphasize means stress. But yet, instead, etc. are sometimes used to show this. For example, act naturally. If you are acting, then how can it be it natural? Original copy. If it is copy, then how can it be original? Small crowd. If it is crowd, then how can it will be small? So, etc. Students, have you ever had an argument at your home with your siblings? Siblings means brother or sister or cousins on anything like chocolates, eatables, toys, pencils, erasers, books, etc. If you had ever, do write it down and send it to me. Here also, in the poem The Quarrel, the poet has explained and teaches us that maybe sometimes we may have different opinions on any topic, but we should try to resolve the issue instead of pulling the leg of our near and dear ones. In the poem, a small quarrel between brother and sister took place, and that ended with a beautiful moral. The poet, the writer, quarreled with her brother, and the reason behind the quarrel was unclear. See, there was not any reason for the quarrel, but still they have quarreled. The blame game started, and sooner the quarrel became the reason of ill feelings towards each other. Nobody was ready to accept their mistake. They both started hating each other. They had bad feeling by afternoon. Then her brother came to her and tried for a patch up. He suggested not to linger on too long. Linger means stretch. He accepted his mistake, and at that moment he became right. So, my dear students, this is the best way to move ahead in life or be successful in life. In our life, we will face hurdles, differences in opinion, many problems, many obstacles, but we are supposed to overcome all such things to be successful in our life. We should learn from these things. These small things or hurdles should never be allowed to stop us reaching our goal. So, this is a summary. Now we are going to start reading of the poem, The Quarrel by Eleanor Curzon. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. The poet is saying, I had a quarrel with my brother. The reason was not clear. In the starting, the quarrel was as lighter mood, but it ended with the strong lead feeling, bad feeling. Both were considering themselves is right. Next paragraph. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Thumped means hit someone and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." Here the poet is saying they started hating each other. They did not talk in the afternoon. Then her brother came and suggested her to forget the past quarrel. He apologized. Apologized means he was sorry for his mistake. When he felt sorry, he became right. Sorry is the solution for every problem. So, sorry, thank you, excuse me, these are most spectacular words, mean magical words, and if we start using them in our daily life, we would be successful in our life. So this is beta all about the poem. Read the poem once again, try to understand the meaning of the poem, watch the video carefully, and I will get back to you. Have a nice day.